Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 12th, 2020, and I wanted to give an update on how my strawberry seedlings are doing. Now here's some of the Alexandria ones here, and here's some more over here. Now these are very slow growing. I took them off the heated floor and I put them in a tray up on one of the shelves in my greenhouse. And I am still feeding them one time a week with the Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food, 1/4 a teaspoon to a gallon of water. And want to make sure that you're not you want to make sure that you're not feeding a dry plant. So just make sure your soil is nice and moist, and I have videos on my channel for how I feed my strawberry seedlings. So here's some more Alpine Alexandria strawberries here, and I have more over here. This is a little 4-pack here of Trescas. We have a Temptation back here. Let's see, another Tresca, more Temptations. Now, this was an experiment that I tried here. This one here is a Tresca, and this is a Temptation. And what I did was, I just put my seeds on the soil after I had them chilled, and I sat them on the floor with no covering, and they did germinate. Now, this one here is actually germinating, and this one over here is germinating since I sat them up on the shelves. So, it's getting enough for them to germinate even though they're not on the heated floor. And we have some more Temptations over here, a little Tresca here, and another little Alexandria here. And here's some more Alexandrias, another Tresca here, and I do have more of these coming up and still germinating. Here's a little 4-pack here of Alexandrias that I just took out of the enclosed container, and I have them sitting on the floor. Now they'll stay here until they get their first true leaf, and as soon as I see that, I'm going to go ahead and move them up to one of my trays on the shelves. And here's some more little strawberry seedlings here. Now some of these were done in the wet paper towel method, so they sprouted inside, and I brought them out to the greenhouse as soon as I seen them sprouting, and I transplanted them into their little containers, and I have videos on my channel for how to do that. So I'm going to be taking these out then when their leaves open up here. Now my seeds that I planted back in December, they are still germinating for me. So they definitely do take a long time to germinate, and they have a very irregular germination. Some will germinate faster than others, so don't give up on them if they don't germinate right away. Just keep watching them and seeing what they're doing, and when they start germinating, go ahead and take them out, and put them on your trays or however you're doing yours. Now these two here did not come up. These were two Alexandria ones here, and they did not come up for me. And I think one of the seeds had accidentally got washed out of the soil, so that's, I think, why one of them didn't come up there. And I am keeping my seed starting mix moist, but not soggy. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update on how my strawberry seedlings are doing. Now I did do an experiment with freezing the seeds for 2 weeks and then planting them. I'm still working on that experiment to see how that one there does versus refrigerating the seeds first. So I will come back with an update then, and I'll talk to you about my results that I came up with between freezing and refrigerating the seeds. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!